All right, standing in front of the diamond floor plan here of Trophy Homes here in the Prairie Winds community in Hutto, Texas. Is going to be priced at $389,900. That is $20,000 down from the original listing price of $410,000, with inventory and model homes available as soon as November 2025 or earlier, depending on the model home that you guys are looking at. The diamond floor plan, however, is going to be at 1,839 square feet. That's 1,839 square feet of spacious modern living, as well as additional flex cash that you guys could use for upgrades and customizations for your home of $40,000 if you guys go with the preferred lender with Trophy here, as well as $55 a month for HOA. That includes a pickleball court, swimming pool, and trails that go around the entire community that is currently being built in the background right now. That being said, we're going to take you guys into the home here and show you guys what the diamond floor plan is all about. On top of that, the tax rate for the community is only 2.1% plus PID. Taking you guys inside the diamond floor plan, we have on each side auxiliary bedrooms and the guest bathroom, as well as a study office space, with the office space located here on the left for any work that you guys might want to do at home or for your kids to study, as well as 2 bedrooms located here, with one being at the front facing side of the house. Plenty of ample light and space, as you can see, with the model home including a bunk structure into it. The guest shared bathroom, single vanity and standing shower / bath, as well as another bedroom located on the opposite side of the mini hall here that takes off from the main hallway facing the side of the home. Taking you guys back out to the main hallway, passing these 2 auxiliary rooms leads you guys into the main living kitchen. Both of these are interconnected, as you guys can see, with plenty of space for a dining table if you guys wish, as well as a living area that you guys can interchange at any time depending on how you guys want to lay out your home, with stainless steel appliances being the stove, oven, and microwave on this side, adjacent from the sink and dishwasher located right here on an island countertop for you. That takes you guys into the pantry and refrigerator hookup on the far side of the kitchen. And as I take you guys into the master bedroom and the backyard access, you guys might have noticed that only the bedrooms have carpets, which means that the rest of the housing with vinyl wood flooring is very easy to maintain and clean up. So you guys really only need to mop or vacuum. With the master bedroom right down this hall here, take you guys to a beautiful, cozy backyard access through the windows here located on the far side. Plenty of space for a TV stand and a master bed. And a double vanity that is going to be parallel from each other, with one for him, one for her, leading to the walk-in closet on the far back, with a private toiletry room back here on my left, your right, and on your left, my right, the standing shower. Last but not least, thank you guys for watching this video taking place in this beautiful cozy backyard here. Just want to remind you guys that I am John Wynn with Winvo Realty, operating here in the greater Austin area. If you guys ever need a home, especially with Trophy Homes here in this new development here in Hutto, Prairie Winds, do not hesitate to contact us. So for all of your real estate needs, you can contact us down below with the contact information provided, and you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend.